What's happening?
By the Texas Amber Alert Network, the El Paso Police Department is searching for Leonardo Ortega, white male, 8 years old, date of birth June 3rd, 2011, 3 feet 9 inches tall, weight 65 pounds, black hair, brown eyes, and wearing a white shirt, underwear and navy blue Crocs. The El Paso Police Department is searching for Moshes Curry, Ohio, white male, 2 years old, date of birth August 5th, 2016, 3 feet tall, weight 50 pounds, black hair, brown eyes, and wearing a gray onesie. Police are looking for Justin Curry, Ohio, white male, 26 years old, date of birth May 17th, 1993, 5 feet 10 inches tall, weight 190 pounds, brown hair, hazel eyes, and has a short beard, in connection with their abduction. The suspect is driving a black 2003 Hyundai Elantra with a Texas license plate number of KYR 4562. The suspect was last heard from in El Paso, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the El Paso Police Department at 915-832-4400. The Austin, NOAA Weather Radio Roundup at 1 p.m. at Austin Bergstrom.
I'll let it go through one more time.